great news in the fiber optic industry. The Yamasaki V5000 Wi-Fi inspection microscope is the answer to all your fiber optic testing needs. Utilizing both Wi-Fi and USB connection to either Android or Apple smartphone, as well as PC, the Yamasaki V5000 Wi-Fi is up to date with the latest technology and allows for real-time reporting in the field all through your smartphone. You can connect the V5000 Wi-Fi to your smartphone or PC through any Wi-Fi without the need for any additional hardware. The pass-fail analysis to IEC standards makes the Yamasaki V5000 Wi-Fi exceptionally easy to use. All inspection images and reports are saved to your PC for user convenience. On request, there are several connector and adapter tips available, depending on your specifications. All electronic inspections can easily be transferred to your PC from the Yamasaki V5000 Wi-Fi to be analyzed. So, when your team needs easy and affordable tests and measurement equipment, Yamasaki has you covered. And as always, Yamasaki products are available from Anderson. So if you wish to get more information about the Yamasaki V5000 Wi-Fi inspection microscope, visit Anderson's website today.